Okay guys, where are we, baby?
We are at CycleOxygen at Kallang Stadium.
Yeah. Okay guys, look at it. We're going to place the Brompton MY meetup. The owner, Desmond, agreed to support the event and place the poster here. Why we choose here is because here got a lot of people coming. It's a sport arena, so people were able to see more about this poster. So more exposure for the poster, and I hope inshallah. So I hope that more people will join from Singapore, or anybody who living in Singapore, expected it or want to come. Let's join.
For the MY Brompton Malaysia Fan Day.
Yes.
2024.
Yeah, you get it right, man.
Yes, I got it right.
Where was it held last year?
Last year it was at Putrajaya.
And it created a Malaysia Guinness.
Oh yes. Yeah, last year it was at Putrajaya and it was Malaysia. It was and the attendance. The attendance was in the Malaysia Guinness World of Records.
Yeah.
For the largest Brompton meeting.
Yep.
And
Meet up
for the largest Brompton gathering.
at one place at one time.
Yes.
Okay, come. Let's meet Desmond.
Yes,
Okay, let's open. Hello.
Hi. We are here to see Mr. Desmond.
Yeah, Desmond is busy doing work as usual. Yeah.
Hello, this is Desmond.
Right.
So he's the one who is so nice, so kind enough to tell us that he will put up the poster for us. Thank you.
Yeah. Because CycleOxygen also from Brompton World Traveller, correct? Yeah. So it's very, how to say this? Sweet lah. Sweet is like, yeah.
Quite a prominent figure lah actually.
Yeah. Because this is, we go to travel all the way to Ipoh Perak.
Yeah, so we are
When?
actually very honoured lah actually.
Yeah.
We are so lucky because Desmond wants to do this for us.
Yeah.
Thank you sir. And okay, shall we open this?
Okay, put first. This one put down.
Open.
Open first, come.
Alright.
So here it is, guys.
Ipoh Perak, very nice place. Alright, so you go to place here.
What is the popular food in Ipoh?
Oh, very good question.
Here it is.
Yeah. Actually, I still don't know lah. Cikgu Mazlan, help us later. Comment below.
so
What is
what
the
the-
interesting food?
What is the favorite food? Is it?
Ipoh Hopan.
What is the most famous?
Think so.
Ipoh ah.
Hopan.
Hofan Okay. Cikgu Mazlan, please.
For the event must try Ipoh Hopan.
Yeah. Okay, Cikgu Mazlan, please comment. Cik Chong is for fun, really. Alright.
Okay, so where are we going to put this, Mr. Desmond?
Okay, later Mr. Desmond will place the most strategic place.
Alright,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Okay.
Support.
Yes, because it's Brompton Traveller. This will travel all the way to Ipoh Perak. Alright. So next.
Okay, so Desmond, it's a word of thanks, huh?
Yeah. I heard about the teh
Yes.
tarik.
The most popular.
Yeah, one of the most popular teh tarik in Singapore.
Because
Teh tarik by KM because we are the only one in Singapore that has customized sweetness level. So you don't like too sweet, right? So we could make for you 60% sweetness level here.
and we got OMG flavors.
3 flavors: original, masala, ginger.
But we
So
call it oh my
today
god
yours
flavors lah.
is original lah.
First time I see this teh
Yeah.
tarik.
First time.
We're the first one in Singapore actually.
Is it?
It's our five years plus. Next year will be our 6 years lah.
So this is quite
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's really hot, no?
Yes. When you order this, our promise to customer is you will receive it piping hot.
So we need to drink like that.
No,
Ah.
I'm going to cups lah. You got your own cups lah.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought
Alright.
all this one must drink like that. Oh.
Okay.
interesting. I haven't seen this teh tarik.
Yeah.
I thought it was a usual teh tarik.
No, different. That's why I say my wife insists.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, now I know.
Special.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. This one warning first. Disclaimer.
Yes.
This one must have been.
Yes. Alright.